Hello there! Today I'm gonna show you how to build my Fulcrum Lekku pattern. First of all, I'm building a mini Lekku here as it's easier to show you. This is 30% of the scale and it fits on a tiny A4 paper for printing. All you need to build this yourself is a pair of scissors, a permanent marker, contact glue, rice and some fiberfill, as well as upholstery foam in 5mm thickness or any equal material. The reason I say this is because sometimes it's hard to get such thin upholstery foam, but up to 1 cm of thickness should still work. The thinner, the better though. You can also use fabric wadding and sew instead of glue as a substitute. So let's get started. First, tape the pattern together and cut the pieces. They're so tiny! Each pattern piece has information written on top if you need it double, mirrored or just one time in the pattern. Copy the patterns onto the upholstery foam with your marker and add all the guiding lines around. In case of the Fulcrum Lekku, there are also letters that mark corners that fit together. Copy them too. In my case, I put the pattern on top of more upholstery foam and cut out all the pieces double this way, but cutting them separately will yield more accurate results. Add the guiding dots on the mirrored pieces. This technique here is what I found is the fastest so far. When done cutting, start with the back Lekku pieces, called leg back outside and leg back inside, and glue them to the mirrored pieces. In this case I use Pattex Classic, again, my favorite contact glue for foam. That's not sponsored by the way. Be careful to do this in a well-ventilated area or wear a mask, especially if you're doing the full-scale version, because of the chemical fumes. Next up is gluing head main pattern part to the leg back outside piece, matching the letter D on the edges in the process. In between leg back outside and inside there's still one piece missing on both sides. This one is called leg back middle and it matches between the letters A and B. After that you can finally close up the back, matching the letter C on the inside on both sides. Front Lekku part, let's go! Glue both head side legs, inside and outside seam together, matching the letter D on top. The second one needs to be mirrored, of course. Now glue both head side leg parts to head main, matching the letter D on the edges once again. Flip it over and glue head side leg first on leg back outside, matching D and A. Then on leg back middle, matching A and B. And in the end, to leg back inside, matching B and C. Repeat on the mirrored side to close the last open seam. This is the most complicated seam, but I'm sure you can do it. All done! Now it can be filled with rice in the tips and fiberfill in the top. As this one is so tiny, it does not really work that well, but for the full-scale version it should feel correctly weighted now. After that you can go different ways. Either you use 4-way stretch spandex and pin it to the Lekku to figure out where to make seams, or use the exact same pattern as a cover. I have also seen people color the foam directly or use Plastidip to seal it. The possibilities are endless, and I'm sure there's one that works for you. Anyways, I hope this helped understanding how my Lekku patterns are built, especially the Fulcrum one, as it is one of the most complicated ones. But not as difficult as thought, see?